All right, these are the do now problems for the mid-chapter check for chapter 8. And you can find these on page 462 of your book. Page 462. You can pause them and try these problems. Make sure you can see them. Get a good view here without the camera in the way. Let me make that a little bit higher. There we go, you guys. Go ahead and pause them and then we'll go over them. Okay, let's start here. Number 1, what is the quotient? So remember, quotient is always the answer to a division problem of 4 and 2/3 divided by 4 and 1/5. So we have two mixed numbers there that we need to put into improper fractions so we can divide. So remember, the way to do this is your denominator times your whole number. So 3 times 4 is 12 plus 2 more, 13, 14. 14 over 3. So remember, this is like having 4 whole pies and splitting them into 3 pieces. That's how you get that new fraction, plus you add on the 2 pieces that are here in the fraction. So again, 5 times 4 is 20, plus 1 is 21. The denominator just stays the same. Remember that what you do is you need to flip this, take the reciprocal, and multiply. That's how you divide fractions. Dividing fractions is easy as pie. Flip the second one and multiply. So here I took the reciprocal, I flipped it over, rewrote the problem, and I looked to see if I could simplify, and I see a 14 and a 21. Those are both divisible by 7. 7 will fit into 14 twice. 7 will fit into 21 3 times. 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 3 is 9. And then 9, 10 is an improper fraction because it's bigger than the 9 on the bottom. So it will give us 9 goes in there once. That's our whole number with a piece left over, 1 and 1/9. Miranda had 4 pounds, 6 ounces of clay. She divided it into 12 equal parts. How heavy was each part? So my first job here is to change my pounds into ounces and then add the 6 ounces that I have here. So first I'm going to take my 4 pounds. There's 16 ounces in 1 pound, right? 16 ounces in a pound. So I multiply. 4 times 16 is 64, and I add the extra 6 ounces, which will give me 70. And I want to divide that into 10 equal parts, so 70 divided by 10 will be 7 ounces for each part. All right, number 5. The amount Denise charges to repair computers is $50 an hour plus a $25 service fee. Write an expression to show how much she will charge for 8 hours of work. So we have $50 an hour times the hours plus the $25 service fee. That is our expression. Lewis has saved $14 for a skateboard that cost $52. He can use the equation 14 plus m equals 52 to find how much more money, that's what we're going to use for our variable, that he needs. How much more does he need? So it says he has saved 14 for a skateboard plus the amount he still needs will equal 52. So we write up that equation. We're going to isolate our variable m and get it by itself by using the inverse operation. So this is a positive 14. We do the opposite, which is minus 14 on both sides, and we get m equals $38. So he needs to earn $38 more in order to buy the skateboard. Okay, so now I'd like you guys to open your books to page 463 and 464 and work on your mid-chapter checkpoint. I want you to finish that first before you check it with me. If you do need those pages, I will put them up in the next video if you don't have your book and you just need to work them out.